Apple has postponed the release of iPhone SE 2. Apple plans to delay the release of a cheap smartphone known as the iPhone SE 2. DigiTimes reports this with reference to sources in Taiwan. A source in the smartphone production chain said that the delivery dates for motherboards for the iPhone SE 2 were moved from the first quarter to the second. According to him, such a decision was made due to an outbreak of COVID-19 pneumonia caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The insider also said that the income of the manufacturer of the main components for a cheap iPhone, Xiaodong Technology, in the second quarter will be higher than usual. The publication 9to5Mac suggested that the announcement of the iPhone SE 2 will take place as scheduled. However, the device's launch on the market will have to be postponed from March to late April. Journalists believe that at the start of sales, the new smartphone will be a scarce model. In February, insiders close to the device's production chain said that the presentation of the affordable iPhone will take place on March 31st, and the sale is scheduled for April 3rd. Sources said that the name of the new device has not yet been approved. The device will be called either iPhone SE 2 or iPhone 9. Earlier, sources of the Fast Company publication said that the cost of the successor iPhone SE will be $399. An authoritative insider, Min-Chi Kuo, in his October 2019 report, said that Apple was preparing a cheap smartphone. The device will be released in the first half of 2020. Will receive a housing from the iPhone 8, A13 processor, 3 GB of RAM and a single camera.